Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start chapter number 10 of EVS. The name of the chapter is shelter. What is the meaning of shelter? Shelter means home, where we live in. Okay? In this lesson we are going to learn about different types of houses. Why do we need house? We need house to live in because house protect us from heat, cold, rain and from animals. We feel safe and comfortable in our homes. Animals also live in homes. They live in different types of homes. And in what type of homes they live? So let us study. Yes, here are some jumbled words. You have to unscramble these words to find the correct name of the animal's home. This is dog. Dog lives in kennel. What are the spellings of kennel? K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Right? Dog lives in a kennel. Sheep. Sheep lives in farm. F-A-R-M. Horse. Horse live in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Right? You have to write these words with correct spellings and you have to learn these. You have also done in English also. So learn the animal's home. Pig. Pig lives in stay. S-T-Y. Stay. Cow lives in shed. S-H-E-D. Shed. Lion lives in cave. C-A-V-E. So you have to write in your book and you have to learn these. Let's read the chapter. Early humans roamed the land to find food. It means early humans they roamed. Roamed means इधर उधर घूमना. Roamed the land to find food. They did not have permanent homes. They lived in caves. Caves means गुफा. ठीक है. अर्ली ह्यूमन उनके पास घर नहीं होता था रहने के लिए और वो खाने के लिए भोजन के लिए इधर उधर पूरा दिन घूमते रहते थे और जहाँ भी उनको जगह मिलती वो रात को वहीं सो जाते थे. उनके कोई परमानेंट हाउस नहीं होते थे. एज ह्यूमन लर्न टू कल्टिवेट फूड क्रॉप्स एंड डोमेस्टिकेट एनिमल्स परमानेंट शेल्टर्स बिकेम मोर कॉमन. धीरे धीरे जब इंसान ने एक जगह पर रहना शुरू किया उसने क्रॉप्स उगानी शुरू की. उसने फसल उगानी शुरू की क्योंकि भोजन के लिए वो इधर उधर जाता था. तो जब उसने क्रॉप्स को उगाना फसल को उगाना शुरू किया तो उसने एक ही जगह पर रहना शुरू कर दिया और उसने जानवरों को पालतू बनाना शुरू किया. जैसे गाय से दूध मिलता था तो वो एक ही जगह पर उसने रहना शुरू कर दिया. उसको बोलते थे परमानेंट शेल्टर्स. ठीक है. और धीरे धीरे उसने इधर उधर घूमना छोड़ दिया. The shelters that they built depended on the materials that were available and the climate of the place where they lived. It means the shelters that they built. जैसे वो शेल्टर कैसे घर बनाते थे कि जो भी मटेरियल उनके पास अवेलेबल होता था उसी से ही वो अपना रहने का घर बनाते थे. और घर कई तरह के होते थे जैसे पक्का हाउस और कच्चा हाउस. Kacha house is temporary house and Pakka house is permanent house. Today humans live in many different kinds of houses. Today we will study about types of houses, different types of houses. There are mainly two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Example of Kacha house is, what is the example of Kacha house? Tent and hut. Okay, and example of Pakka houses, apartment, bungalow, flats. These are examples of permanent house. Let us have a look on each of them in detail. Kacha house is made up of mud, straw, bamboos, wood and leaves. It has sloping roof. It's not very strong. It is generally found in villages and mostly it has only one room. And also it's not very costly. ठीक है, बहुत ही कम खर्चे में ये घर बन जाता था. Your friends live in same types of houses? Do they? No, they live in different types of houses. Their shapes is different, size and material used to make that house is also different. Homes are made up of bricks, cement, stones and steel. This type of houses are very strong and known as Pakka house or permanent house. Today we will study about different type of houses. People living in towns and cities make houses using bricks, stones, cement and steel. Such houses are strong and last for several years. Several means many years. And are known as permanent house or Pakka house. These houses cannot be moved from one place to another because these are permanent. Some people live in huts. Huts are made of straw and mud. These are known as temporary or kacha house. This is hut. These are made of mud and straw. Bamboo also. Fantastic. Many people in Kashmir live in houseboats known as shikaras. These are also temporary house. ठीक है, ये मूव करते रहते हैं पानी में. ये बोट्स होती हैं बड़ी बड़ी, इसमें जैसे घर बना होता है पूरा, इसमें हाउस बोट बोलते हैं इसको. ठीक है. प्रेजेंट डेज हाउस बोट्स आर यूज्ड फॉर लेजर ट्रिप्स. जब हम फ्री टाइम में कहीं घूमने जाते हैं तो लोग इसमें रहने का आनंद लेते हैं. Log huts are made of logs. These houses are found in the hills. Log house made of logs. Wooden logs के घर बनाए जाते हैं और ये ज़्यादातर कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? Hills पर. So read this chapter and we will continue it tomorrow.